Hi, this is Gabriela, and in this video I want to show you 2 simple ways that you can make homemade hand sanitizer. If you travel a lot or have kids or commute by public transport, you might consider making your own hand sanitizer. Not only it will keep your hands clean, but it will also be super moisturizing. First ingredient, it's aloe vera gel. It's wound healing and anti-inflammatory. It's super moisturizing for the skin. Rubbing alcohol that will actually kill the bacteria. Rubbing alcohol is considered for some a bit drying, so witch hazel is an alternative to use, which is an extract combined with alcohol. Vitamin E, which is also great for skin, for reducing wrinkles, and essential oils, lavender for scent, and tea tree oil, which is known to kill bacteria. And of course you will need some containers to keep your hand sanitizer. If the aloe vera is more like a gel, you will need a container with a pump or to just squeeze. But if it's more like liquid, then you will definitely need kind of like a spray bottle. Take a little bowl and something to kind of stir with, and add half a cup of aloe vera gel. I'm gonna start with an aloe vera gel that is more liquid actually, to make a spray hand sanitizer. Then you want to add the rubbing alcohol, and I'm gonna add half a tablespoon of this. Vitamin E, a quarter of a teaspoon. Then I'm gonna add the tea tree oil, 10 drops, which is about half a teaspoon, and the lavender essential oil. I'm just gonna add 20 drops, as the tea tree essential oil is very strong. Then you want to stir everything really well, and really that's it. You just need to pour it in your spray bottle. I found this really good to use with the kids as well. It doesn't dry the hands, but some people have said that the alcohol is a little bit drying. That's why there is another version of this, and really instead of the rubbing alcohol, and actually in this one I'm using a more jelly aloe vera, and I'm adding hazel, witch hazel, instead of rubbing alcohol, the same amount, half a tablespoon, and I'm adding the rest ingredients exactly the same, and I just put it in a tiny kind of pocket squeeze bottle. Do check the description box below, as I add all the ingredients to the list, and see where I buy them from. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Let me know by thumbs up, and subscribe if you like making homemade products. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon. Take care guys, bye.